Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an electrifying comparison for you.
We'll be pitting two security camera heavyweights against each other.
In the left corner, we have the eufy Security Indoor Cam E220, and in the right corner, we have the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. It's time to see which one will come out on top. Let the battle begin. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The eufy Security Indoor Cam E220 comes in at just $54, making it a real bang for your buck. Meanwhile, the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K is priced slightly higher at $69. So if you're on a tight budget, the eufy cam might be the winner here.
Now let's move on to the next category, video quality. The eufy cam boasts up to 2K clarity, allowing you to see every little detail inside your home. On the other hand, the LaView cam offers a stunning 4 megapixels HD resolution, delivering crystal clear images day and night.
Looks like LaView takes the crown in this round. Time to dive into the world of smart features.
The eufy cam offers some nifty integrations. You can connect it to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa for complete control over your surveillance. Plus, it has on-device AI that only records when it detects a human or pet. Talk about smart, huh?
And now let's talk about the LaView cam.
It comes with a 360 degrees panoramic viewing angle, leaving no blind spots in your room. With its advanced Starlight night vision, you'll even get full-color video in low-light conditions.
Now that's what I call seeing the unseen. Convenience is key, folks.
The eufy cam follows the action, automatically tracking and following any moving object. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to pan the lens 360 degrees horizontally and tilt it 96 degrees vertically. Talk about having eyes in the back of your head.
But wait, the LaView cam has something up its sleeve too.
It offers easy wireless installation using Wi-Fi connectivity and an E27 light bulb base.
No complicated setups, just screw it in and you're good to go.
That's what I call hassle-free security.
Last but not least, let's talk about durability.
The eufy cam doesn't have any specific weatherproof rating, so it's best suited for indoor use. On the other hand, the LaView cam boasts an impressive IP67 weatherproof rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use.
Rain or shine, the LaView cam has got you covered. Both cameras had their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Well folks, it's time to wrap up this electrifying battle between the eufy Security Indoor Cam E220 and the LaView 4 megapixels bulb security camera 2K. Both cameras have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, stay smart and make a purchase that gives you peace of mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic product battles. Until next time, this is Buy Smart signing off. Happy shopping!